Hello, kiddos.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, today we're going to learn something super cool and smart. It's called artificial intelligence. Can you say that with me, please?
Artificial intelligence.
Wow, great job. But that's a big word, right? Let's make it easier. We call it AI.
AI.
So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is when
A computer or robot can think and perform like people.
exactly. For example, the bee-bot, which we've seen in recent months, or the super dog that we are discovering today, is a small, smart robot that we can teach how to move and follow instructions. Teaching the bee-bot or the super dog to do what we want is called Yusur.
Artificial intelligence.
In another word, we call it
AI.
excellent. How does artificial intelligence work? AI learns from what, Emna? From?
Data.
Excellent. Just like we learn from?
Experiences.
Excellent. For example, if we show a robot lots of cat pictures, it will learn what a cat looks like. So the robot, what will he say? Yes, he will say?
That's a cat.
That's a cat. Excellent. So kiddos, what are the advantages of artificial intelligence? Let's start with Yusuf. Yusuf?
Learn fast.
Learn fast. Robots and computers can learn things very quickly. Good. What about Khadija?
Repetition and precision.
Repetition and precision. Robots don't get tired, yes or no?
Yes.
They can do the same work many times without making a mistake. Emna? What else?
Work in dangerous places.
Excellent. Robots can work when it's not safe for people. And Ferris?
Time saving.
Yes, excellent. So kiddos, what are the advantages of artificial intelligence? Let's start with Yusuf.
Learn fast.
Excellent. Robots and computers can learn things very quickly. Khadija?
Repetition and precision.
Exactly. Robots, they don't get tired. Yes or no, Khadija?
Yes.
They can do the same work many times without making a mistake. Amina?
Work in dangerous places.
Exactly. Robots can work when it's not safe for people. And let's finish with Ferris.
Time saving.
Time saving. Now that we finished with the advantages of artificial intelligence, it's time to discuss the disadvantages. Elise, can you give me an example, please?
Listening.
Excellent. If we rely too much on artificial intelligence, we might get lazy and forget how to do things ourselves. Julia?
Practicing.
Good. Some smart machines can take pictures or learn things about people without asking. That's not safe. And Emna?
Some people might lose their jobs.
Exactly. If robots can do our jobs, some people might not have work to do anymore. Do you know that we use artificial intelligence almost daily? Can you guys give me examples of our daily use of AI? Emna?
Washing machine.
Exactly. Next, Elias.
Dishwasher.
Excellent. And Ferris?
Video games.
Baya?
Drone.
Drones, exactly, that we've discovered in recent months. Khadija?
Smartphones.
That unlocks after recognizing the owner's
Face.
good. Next, Inin.
Translation.
Translation. You can use it to translate every word you want to any language you want. Exactly. Next is Yusuf.
A car without a driver.
Good job. Now, Edna, some restaurants use robots for
Cook meals.
to cook meals. What else?
Delivers food.
And
Wash your dishes.
wash the dishes. Exactly. We can also find robots at the hospital. Doing what, Elias?
That knows illnesses.
Exactly. And they can also, Yusuf?
Take care of patients.
Robots can help us discover, yes,
Other planets.
exactly. Emma. Robots can help us with,
Agriculture world.
since it can be hard for us, robot can help us. And Ferris, robots can help us?
Put out fire.
Exactly. Okay, so Yusuf, robots can be programmed to,
Play chess with us.
good job. Khadija, robots can be programmed to
Drive cars.
drive cars, exactly. Eileen, robots can be programmed to,
Shop in supermarkets.
good job. And finally, Julia, robots can be programmed to,
Teach in schools.
exactly. So, now we're gonna discuss the challenges and risks. Artificial intelligence is not always perfect and can make mistakes. So, we must use it by
Carefully.
and not rely on it.
Completely.
We can say that AI has become a part of our daily lives and can have many benefits for children if used correctly. Now, kiddos, what is the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence? Human intelligence, yes, is the intelligence.
We humans have.
Exactly. We think, we feel, and learn from experiences and understand feelings. For example, Elias, when your friend is sad, what do?
I comfort him.
Exactly. You comfort him because you understand his feelings. Now, artificial intelligence is made by, made by
Computer or machine.
computers or machine. It is programmed to do smart things like what? Like?
Dog.
And what else, Ferris? Like?
Truck.
And what else, Khadija?
Places.
Exactly. But it can't feel emotions like
Humans.
humans, exactly, Julia. So, to sum it up, humans think, feel, and learn by themselves. However, AI learns from the information people give it, and it does not feel emotions like we do. Will artificial intelligence ever be better than human intelligence?
No, I don't think so.
And why is that, Emma?
People can think creatively.
What else, Ferris?
They can feel emotion.
Exactly. And Julia? They know?
They know what is right and what is wrong.
But the AI, Yusuf?
Doesn't understand feelings.
What else, Eileen?
What it does, what is taught to.
So, in conclusion, AI is strong in some things, but humans will always be smarter because we can feel and think in a way robots can't. So, kiddos, do you like playing with robots?
Yes.
Then you should join a robotics club where you will learn how to make, Elias, to make what?
A real robot.
On your own and be able to program it to do
Moves.
and answer your.
Questions.
Isn't that exciting?
Yes.
We live in the
Age of technology.
a time when we use smart tools, robots, and computers every day. Okay, kiddos. Now, Superdog is a little robot who wants to go on an adventure, but he needs your help to move. So, this is the map, and this is the Superdog robot, okay? Now, each one of you will get the chance to move the robot. I don't know, it can go to the backpack, to the pig, to the other bag, etc. Okay? So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna test the Superdog robot together. Are you ready, Elias?
Yes.
Okay, I want it to go to the computer. Show me your movements first. What you're gonna do?
Turn.
Turn where? Turn to the?
Right.
Good. And after turning to the right, what is that?
Forward.
How many steps forward? Okay, now program your robot. Go ahead. Good job, Elise. Okay, Mahdi, now it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I want the super dog robot to go to the lamp. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, show me.
Turn to the right.
Turn to the right, yes.
Three forward.
Yes, 3 steps forward, correct.
Turn to the right.
Turn to the right again, yes.
One forward.
1 step forward, yes. Okay, Mahdi, now program your robot. Go ahead. Let's see. Good job, Mahdi. Okay, Eileen, now it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
I want you to go to the pig. Show me what you're gonna do.
Forward.
Forward. Next.
Left.
Turn to the left, yes. After that,
Forward.
forward. Okay, is that it?
Yes.
Okay, program your robot. Go ahead. Let's see. Good job, Lulu. Okay, Yusuf, now it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I want the super dog robot to go to the bicycle. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Okay, show me your movements first.
Forward.
Mm-hmm.
Forward.
Mm-hmm.
Turn. And the right.
To the right.
To the right.
Mm-hmm.
And forward.
Forward again. Okay, so now program your robot. Go ahead. Let's see. Good job, Yusuf. Okay, kiddos. Now that we discovered the bee-bot, the super dog, we're gonna discover something else. This is like a friendly robot that lives in a computer, a phone, etc. He can talk, answer questions, and help with different tasks. Let's see, who wants to talk to him first? Let's try Yusuf. Here you go, Yusuf.
Hello, my name is Yusuf. I'm 6 years old.
Hello, Yassine. It's so nice to meet you. How can I help you today?
My name is not Yassine. My name is Yusuf.
Nice to meet you, Yassine.
Okay, kiddos. So we discovered the bee-bot, the super dog, and now we're gonna discover something else. For this, it's like a friendly robot that lives in a computer, or in this case, in a phone. He can talk, answer questions, and help with different tasks. Okay, are you excited to try it?
Yes.
Okay, Yusuf, you can start.
Hello, my name is Yusuf. I'm 6 years old.
Hello, Yosser. It's great to meet you. How can I help you today?
I go to Kidzy and it's so much fun.
That sounds so fun. What's your favorite thing to do at Kidzy?
Play.
Playing is the best. What games you like to play with your friends there?
Ball.
Playing ball is so much fun. Do you have a favorite ball game you like to play?
No.